Hi, John Kavakis here with another edition of My Take. This one is exciting days, at least exciting for me, that I have the opportunity to introduce to you a brand new model. Today, we're going to take a look at Brooklyn's 1955 Dodge Coronet four-door sedan in two-tone pink and soda. This is part of the pink collection. Now, you've probably seen some of the pink collection. A little while ago, a couple years ago, some of the ladies at Brooklyn got together and said, we want to have a dedicated collection, limited edition run of models in shades of pink. And so they've been releasing one or two a year. They're kind of recolors of some of the other cars that they've had. But Brooklyn has been doing a magnificent job on it. And the most recent one is this Dodge I have sitting here in front of me. Let me talk to you about Mopar for just a little bit so you understand the background of the model. After a disastrous 1953-1954, Mopar was on the ropes. Chrysler seemed to get themselves in that position frequently. This time, they were bailed out by none other than the Prudential Insurance Company with a loan for $250 million. Now, they combined that $250 million with brand new styling by Virgil Exner and the forward look. And between that, the loan and the forward look, Chrysler caught fire. Dodge was right there at the beginning. Now, Dodge was kind of the entry level, but noted for being a leader in the low price field, they would have said. And the Coronet was the leader in the low price Dodge field. So they're kind of entry level Dodge. For 1955, they did a pretty nice job of making an entry level car look good. It was available with two-tone exteriors. It had a two-tone interior. Little plain by today's standards, but back then it looked pretty sporty. It could be spiced up with a 270 cubic inch red Ram V8 engine. Kind of sounds neat, a little bit of a Hemi in there. And so it was just a great lineup, and the public just went for it in droves. And an interesting aspect of the 55 lineup for Dodge actually started in 1953 and 1954. Chrysler introduced two new show cars, two concept cars. One was called the Le Comte. It was geared towards men. It was made in dark bronze color with a black roof. The other one was called La Comtesse. Now, this was geared for women, and it was in pink and ivory. It had a pink and white interior. Both cars had large plexiglass roofs, Continental kits. They were really sporty looking, in my opinion. They were the best of the looking of the Chryslers in 53 and 54, but they were show cars. Now, Dodge took that concept in 1955 and it introduced a car called the Femme. And so this was pink and ivory. It was a two-door hardtop, sporty looking car, geared towards women. They advertised it with women, very elegant looking women. It came with a handbag. It came with an umbrella, had a rain slicker in there, and a few other things. They were just geared towards the women's market, and it was very successful. They're very collectible today. They trade for big dollars on the secondary market. Well, Brooklyn has given us a tribute to that. Now, it's not an actual La Femme, but it's a tribute to the La Femme, and we're going to take a look at it here. Now, I've talked about this before. I love the box. I was talking with some of the folks from Brooklyn a couple weeks ago, and I told them, in my opinion, I think they've got the best packaging in the industry. You don't have to touch the car to take it out of the box. You don't have to handle it. It's protected in shipping and everything. So here it is. Let's put it on the turntable and take a look at it. Okay, first, I want to talk about the colors. Brooklyn has just been knocking them out of the field in paint and in the evenness of their paint and how lustrous it is. It looks fantastic. The trim on it, it's Brooklyn's 1955 Dodge sedan, which is a great model. This one looks particularly well. The paint is a kind of a dusty rose with a very pale pink on the top. The grille, it looks fantastic. They've done a good job with that. The trim is all in nickel, brushed, lustrous, looks like chrome. The taillights look fantastic. The badging on it is very nice. Wheels and tires are fantastic. Brooklyn does a great job with wheels and tires. And the interior looks pretty good. The one thing, I mean, they've got the dash picked out pretty nicely. Seat textures are good. The windshield wipers are delicate and they look fantastic. It's got the separate door handles on the outside, and inside in the back seat they have an umbrella and a handbag. I just think that is just fantastic, and that was something that the ladies at Brooklyn pushed for, and they made them out of white metal, and it's fantastic. So, it's a limited edition model. It's going to be available on the Brooklyn website today. I suggest you go there and get it. The pink collection has been a hit with everybody. All of them have been sold out, and I have no doubt that this one will as well. So it's my privilege to be able to present it to you. I think it's a great model. I think if you like limited editions, if you like well-done models, you're really going to like this one. Hey, thanks for tuning in. I'll be back to see you again sometime real soon. But before you go, I'm going to ask you to do me a favor. Well, you're going to have the opportunity to subscribe to my YouTube channel right there at the end of the video. And if you would just do that, and you'll be able to be updated on everything I have, and you'll kind of help me out with my channel as well. So thanks again. I'll talk to you later.